Hey everybody! I'm here today to show you how to change the battery on a garage door opener. This will be a really easy tutorial, so let's get right into the video. As you can see here, I have this universal garage door opener by Chamberlain, but they all work in a very similar manner. Essentially, the battery is actually on the inside of this, and there are these two covers covering the motherboard, okay? So you want to pry these two covers apart. You can use the clip that goes at the back here. You can actually use this to sort of pry them apart. You can also use a screwdriver, but I find that you can just use your fingers and it works well enough. And when you use your fingers, you don't really damage any of the edges of the opener. So I'm just going to get my nail, and I don't even have long nails, just so it's clear. You know, I'm just going to get my nails, and I'm going to pry this apart. Try and go to an edge over here. You can see we're already getting it apart right here. So once again, I'm going to pry it apart just like that, okay? Make sure you place it somewhere where you're not going to lose it. Obviously, that's not from the opener. That's just something on the ground, some garbage on the ground. There is the battery right there. Now what you want to do is you want to make sure you have an exact replacement for this battery and make note of the way that the battery is positioned. Okay, so just understand that the battery needs to be the exact same kind that goes in there that you're replacing. And also it needs to go in the same orientation. So you can actually slide this out if you want to, like that. So I'm just going to push it this way. All right, let's slide it out. I'm going to push a little bit more. There we go. Very easy to do. I'm just taking my time because I don't want to damage anything. So as you can see right here, you slide the battery out. Ow, my finger's bleeding a little bit actually. Okay, so you know what? Watch your fingernails. I dug a little too deep in there, but you know, watch your fingernails. I'm just going to wash that off after. It's fine just because I put too much pressure. But get the exact same battery in the exact same orientation, and then you want to slide it back into place. Now, some openers might have like a clip that covers the battery that you have to remove, but for the most part, they usually just slide into place like this. When you're done, you take your other side of your opener like this, and it should only go on in one orientation, which is this way right here for this one. So make sure you put it back on the right way, snap it back together, and it's good to go. Very simple and straightforward. That's basically it. If you like this video, please be sure to give it a thumbs up. Let me know what you think down below as a comment, and of course, be sure to subscribe for more great videos just like this one. And that's all I have for you today. Thanks for watching.